New at 4, the National Guard training in Los Angeles after being deployed there. Here you see some images. We've seen a variety of exercises happening throughout the day. As the immigration protests continue in the streets of Los Angeles, there's a legal battle unfolding inside California courtrooms. At issue, whether President Trump's decision to send those troops is legal. Let's go to Michael Yoshida in L.A. He has the latest signals that the Trump administration is not backing down.
Maria, calmer start to the day here in downtown Los Angeles following that first night of a curfew impacting roughly a 1 square mile area. You can see maybe a dozen to 2 dozen protesters behind me outside that detention facility, which has been the focus for so many of these protests. All of this happening as that showdown continues between the Trump administration and California leaders over immigration policies and enforcement.
We're not frightened to do something else if we need to.
U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi standing firm behind the president's actions in Los Angeles, placing hundreds of Marines on standby just outside the city and mobilizing the National Guard.
To protect our federal buildings, to protect the highways, to protect the citizens.
This morning, the U.S. Northern Command says those Marines are still undergoing training, including how to use non-lethal weapons.
These are the men and women trained for foreign combat, not domestic law enforcement.
On a New York Post podcast today, Trump says he feels more emboldened in his second term.
I can be stronger on an attack on Los Angeles. I think bringing in the National Guard 4 years ago or 8 years ago would have been more difficult.
California Governor Gavin Newsom has accused the president of dangerously inflaming the situation by sending in Marines and National Guard troops.
Democracy is under assault before our eyes.
An overnight curfew has been in effect in parts of downtown to tamp down potentially violent agitators and run-ins with the LAPD.
This was provoked by the White House. I posit that maybe we are part of a national experiment to determine how far the federal government can go in reaching in and taking over power from a governor.
The mayor says the curfew, which covers about 1 square mile of downtown LA, is likely to continue for a few more days. LA's unrest comes as similar protests take place in several other cities like New York, Austin, Washington, D.C., and Chicago.
And as some of these smaller protests continue, just to put in perspective the different dynamics we've seen, this was an area where yesterday, filled with protests, filled with law enforcement, the street wasn't open to any traffic for most of the day. As for the curfew impacting this part of LA, just getting word from LAPD that it will remain in effect tonight. In Los Angeles, Michael Yoshida, CBS News, Chicago.